Hey, this is Robin. So right now night time and 1:37 a.m. and I am working for the last 8 hour and I am hard working bro. I shoot a video on my web camera, but why I shoot video I have no idea. I think okay, I am hard working. I show, and one day I will get good result because right now I'm hard working. And if I think if I consistency this type of work, one day I'll get good result. Okay, so I have go to I have I have go to sleep. I need sleep, I need rest. Goodbye. I don't cut this video and don't edit this video because after 1 year later I see this video. If I success but if I don't get success, I don't watch this video. Bye.